Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, my friends. I'm Dr. Nitro and this is 8-Boom Custom Workshop. Today it will be one short video about my new version of Peter Green 59 set. You know that set worked with ANTIPHASE in middle position, but Peter Green pickup set has some difference. The neck pickup was repaired and wound with not traditional wire. It was not plain enamel, but heavy foam wire, yellow, like in my set Goldie. So in this version I make neck pickup with opposite direction wiring with heavy foam wire. This set has Alnico 4 magnets, and what I know now that slightly changing the sound of the bridge or neck pickup make the very big difference in antiphase in middle position. So this is my new version of Peter Green pickup set with Alnico 4. This is traditional 59 clone, and this is 59 clone wired with opposite direction with heavy foam wiring. The magnets has same position, south-north, but while this pickup wired in opposite direction, in middle position we have antiphase. Okay, we will hear the sound through the Piper amp. This is very hot Tweed Deluxe made by Udo Piper. First will be neck pickup. So, bridge pickup. So, middle position. In middle position, antiphase lose some volume, but the main thing, in my opinion, is how you work with volume both pickups. And if you don't like the clear antiphase sound, you can turn a little bit down volume on bridge pickup, or on neck pickup. this is antiphase position. This is bridge. Volume on 7. Neck, volume on 5. Tone on 6. So, my friends, I think you enjoyed and this was helpful for you. Subscribe for this channel, leave your comments, and stay in tune. Soon will be more videos for me. So, rock and roll for all.